back to my channel. It's KyReviews, and today I'm bringing you this wig from Sensationnel. Her name is Porsha, and this is a part of their Swiss silk-based 4x4 collection. And this is a lace front wig, and it's also a soft lace. So for those who despise hard lace, this will be really good for you, a really good option. And this is what the stock card looks like. She has on the blonde. I initially wanted this one, but you know, these colors always sell out. So this one is nice too. I have it in the 1B burgundy, T1B burgundy. I will leave all the colors in the description bar below so you guys can check that out. And as you can see here, it says the 4x4 lace. It looks big on there, but it's not a lot of space to work with. So if you're looking for a wig that's going to be ear to ear with this kind of silk base thing going on, it wouldn't be good for you. But with this, you can put it to the side, like slightly to the side, a little side part, or in the middle part like I have it on right here. And what I like the most about this wig is the silk base. It has this type of mesh thing going on, so you can tell right here it looks like I put like some sort of powder or concealer. That's what I like the most about it, because I don't have to apply anything like that. But if you insist on still putting something there, you can, but I think it is effective the way it is to me. And the parting space, the parting is good. I don't think I'll be putting any tweezers to it. But here's the back with all the different colors, the color that I initially was looking at, and the one I have on now. Yes, the TT1 burgundy, that's the one I have on now. And this is where they're showing you where you could do it. So it's very, very slight to the side, so it's not really that much of a parting option. Like as towards the whole front, like a frontal wig, it's not like that. So this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's a very, very nice wig. It's great for the spring, and it's not so much on your neck. So I like how the length of this wig is. It's not too much like the other wig I reviewed for you guys, where it's big and these big barrel curls, and it was just big and beautiful. But if you're not into that one, this one will be a good option for you if you're not too much into the big curls on your neck. Because remember, it's getting warmer and everybody wants to stay cool, so this would be a good wig, a good option for you if you're not feeling the whole big long curls. And let me show you the back. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and you can also switch it over to the side. And I think I'll put in a clip so you guys can see that, and I also will put in a clip with, you know, the wig and how it is interior wise. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with adjustable straps, so it will be good. You'll be good in terms of security of this wig. And that's all I have for this wig. It's very, very nice. I love it, and I like how short it is and it's not too much. And the only thing with it is the little pump action, but not a little heat to this, and it will be quite effective and it will work. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my videos. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yep.